Hello, welcome back to Dimples and Arabian Journey, sharing recipes every Sundays and on Thursday. Please don't forget to subscribe us and stay connected by hitting onto the bell icon for all the further notification. So today's unique recipe out of the box is Anda Chingari. Yeah, the name sounds unique too, right? So let us have a look onto the main ingredient and let's start cooking. Let's start discussing about the core ingredient. We need 4 boiled eggs and 2 raw eggs. These are raw eggs and 4 boiled eggs. We also need 2 medium size of onion chopped, finely chopped, and 2 medium size of tomatoes finely chopped. 1 small size of capsicum, roughly chopped, 1 cup of coriander, roughly chopped, and around 3 to 4 green chilies. You can just chop it fine. For masala, we need chaat masala 1 tablespoon, roasted coriander powder 1 tablespoon, then goes the red chili 1 tablespoon, and turmeric 1 teaspoon. Salt as per your taste or 1 teaspoon. So all the masala, you can just combine them. That goes the chaat masala, coriander, red chili powder, turmeric and salt. Just mix them together. Mix them well. Now you can add the ginger and garlic paste around 2 tablespoons and mix them together. Please add 1/3 cup of water and together you can mix them. Just need to make a paste kind of a texture. Now that our masala paste is ready, let's move on to the eggs. Just break open 2 eggs, the raw eggs. To this, we'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste, and then some coriander leaves. Just give it a quick mix, and now you can add the coriander leaves. Just give it a quick mix. Combine them well together for good 1 minute. And the boiled eggs can be sliced. Divide and slice them. Equal division of the eggs. This is how I'm doing it. Just want some big chunk shapes and size, so I'm avoiding it to make it too small, or else it's going to be very messier. The eggs will be very messy and it doesn't look so appealing also. So this is how you need to cut them. Let's prepare our omelette right now. In a hot pan, just add 2 tablespoons of oil, and then goes our raw eggs, the 2 raw eggs, to make a fluffy omelette. Just for 2 minutes, cook them for just 2 minutes. Please spread it all over the pan, just like this. Now you need to break into big chunks. Make sure that you cook them evenly, don't keep it raw. Now you can just flip over and cook equally both the sides. See that it's cooked properly. And a gentle note to please subscribe my channel if you haven't. Please do. So it's cooked to perfect. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. And in another pan, just add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then goes the bay leaf, 1 or 2 bay leaf, and 1 tablespoon of cumin, that is zira. Let it splutter for 2 to 3 seconds. Now you can just add the onions, which has been finely chopped. Saute them for good 2 minutes. Please note that you do not need to brown the onions. It just need to cook for good 2 minutes. That's it. Now you can add salt as per your taste. Just sprinkling over the onion so that it turns translucent and do not burn it. Now you can add your masala, the pre-done masala, and also 1/3 cup of water. If you want a gravy kind of a texture, then you can add more of the water, like half or 1 cup. I'm adding only 1/3 cup. You can add the tomatoes and just mix them well together, combine them together, and get rid of the raw texture and the taste of the masala. Now you can just add your capsicum. I've used one small capsicum which was roughly chopped. Just give it a quick mix. And now you can add your omelet. Just add them to the masala, and also add your eggs, the boiled and the chopped eggs which has been sliced, and gently toss it. Just mix it very gently. Make sure that your flame is onto the lowest point of heat as well. See that you do not burn the masalas, and all the masala should get infused into the eggs. At this stage I'm adding 1/4 cup of water and just need to simmer and cook it. Before that you need to add the coriander, the remaining coriander chopped leaves. Also you can add in the chili. This is optional though, but you can add for more spice of hint. So you can add the green chili, sorry, not the red, the green chilies, and just cover them and cook it for just 2 more minutes. That's it. Perfectly done. Cooked to perfect. Switch off the flame and serve them right away. Hope you all loved and enjoyed watching my recipe today, the Anda Chingari. Thanks for watching. Do have a look onto the description box and stay connected.